This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello, fellow Cookie Kingdom players. In this video, I will explain how to use time jumpers in Cookie Kingdom. These incredibly useful items let you instantly clear stages you have already conquered. This means you can grab all the rewards, like precious skill powders and toppings, without having to battle through them again. It is a fantastic way to save time and effort. Just remember, a stage must be 3-starred before you can use a time jumper on it. Now, let's talk about how to get your hands on these handy time jumpers. One of the most reliable ways is through balloon expeditions. Longer expeditions often yield more jumpers. You can also purchase them from the Arena Medal shop, but consider that medals are quite valuable for other essential items. Keep an eye out for in-game events and special coupon codes, as these frequently offer time jumpers as rewards, giving you a nice boost to your inventory. Time jumpers are versatile and can be used in several game modes. They are excellent for farming resources in story mode and dark mode, helping you gather skill powders and toppings efficiently. You can also use them to skip those notoriously long tropical soda island missions. For quick daily gains, apply them to bounty missions and the Tower of Sweet Chaos. Be aware that skipping a run in Alliance mode costs 5 time jumpers and provides a random chest reward. To get the most out of your time jumpers, use them wisely. Focus on stages that drop crucial resources, such as specific skill powders or topping pieces, to maximize your farming efficiency. Always ensure you have sufficient stamina jellies for the stage you intend to skip. Remember, world exploration stages usually cost 1 time jumper, but Alliance mode skips are more expensive at 5. Interestingly, manually playing Cookie Alliance can actually earn you more time jumpers as rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.